Every day we are losing about 20-25 people. Yesterday it was 38 people. I am the one who gets the calls for number of people for beds. As I am speaking to, I am getting 101 messages. I have to wake up the dean even at 12:30, 1 o'clock in the night. It's not easy to deal with a situation like this. There are multiple ways of interpreting what you want to say, and we don't want to lose these people. When we see just now, I was talking to Dr. Oscar also, he was telling me is that he finds it sad to see a person of 31 years or 25 years on a HFNO machine. And also second thing is, it is a matter of concern. When you say lockdown, I didn't mean lockdown means you lock down the whole state. Essential commodities like pharma and all these things will all continue. As far as interpretation is where there are super spreader areas and super spreader, those restrictions should become very strict and tough. Because ultimately the health system is getting overloaded. And as a result of which, we have to find different ways of moving forward. I don't think you have gone through all my tweets right from the beginning. I've been appealing to all the people. It is not acceptable to lose the life of a person of 25 years. I said you must report immediately to the PHCCHO or to the hospital so that you can get appropriate treatment. And also, 1 minute, I am coming there. As a result of which, what I said, if this way goes like this, there is a possibility we may lose so many lives, and we don't want to lose those lives. You take every day, there's so many critical patients in the hospital. I did not say a day. I said over the next 15-20 days, if like this we do not act on those patients on time, and we do not get those patients. Dean is sitting here out of 38 patients. More than every time, if you take an average, more than there will be 12-13 patients who come within a day or two and pass away in the hospital. As a result of which, these come last minute to the hospital. There was a boy, that 25-year-old boy, 10 days he was at home. 10 days he was at home. He came in a critical stage to Goa Medical College. We were not in a position to give him treatment. Whatever treatment he was not enough.
Statement was wrong.
ना पर डे ना ते इट इज 15 ते 20 दिसान आम्ही जर हे कंट्रोलान हाडूंक ना आमकां ते जबाबदारी आहा सरकार म्हणून ते हाडपाक आनी हांव हेल्थ मिनिस्टर असल्या कारणान म्हाजेर बी जबाबदारी आहा कारण लोक आमकां फोन मारतात आमकां खंय कितें कमी जाल्यार लास्टाक दोश आमकांच येतलो म्हणून listen to me, like you have always like a controversy and I can't give you opportunity for controversy. You love controversies. So basically that's your style of questioning me. You can question. What I try to express, I am a minister in the government of Dr. Pramod Sawant. I can express my view. But ultimately he needs to take, I always said he needs to take an overall view, but I still strongly believe when you say lockdown, it doesn't mean shut industries. All other places, industries are running. But also second time, strict restrictions are required in a different way where without disrupting people's movement, restriction on movement is a must. A restriction on movement has to be there. Restriction on movement does not mean that you shut down everything, but restriction on movement in certain areas where you feel that can become a super spreader issue is required. That is what I was trying to say, because ultimately you must understand, we are here to serve the Goan people. And second thing is the system is getting overloaded. And we are here running helter-skelter, trying to see that we are able to create the beds for the people. We are trying to see that we have equipment also. If he has to buy so much of equipment and provide those. Simply you cannot put up, I cannot take the super specialty block and just put beds there. I need staff. I need beds. I need oxygen provision there. That's a ICU, 150 bedded, sort of a semi-ICU is creating in that hospital in the next 2 days.
Sir, so then it is better you discuss it with CM.
No, listen. I don't need your permission, neither anybody's permission to express my views and opinion. I have a party that I belong to. No, it's not different. Listen, I can't continue on this subject. The reason is, 1 minute, is that everybody has a right to express his view. And as a citizen, first as a citizen, then as a health minister, you can express what your view is. Everybody in a democratic setup can give his view. That does not mean that it is to be accepted or rejected. Ultimately, we are all accountable to the people of the state of Goa. And each one has a different perspective of looking at things. I have a different perspective of looking at things. That does not mean there is a difference of opinion.
Minister, तुम्ही ट्वीट केले मागे सीएमकडे तुमचे किती इंटरॅक्शन झाले काय?
सीएमकडे आम्ही बसपाचे आहात.
आता मी सीएमकडे बोललेलो सो सीएम म्हणले आपल्या फक्त सोशल मीडियाचं ते याला पण पर्सनली तुमच्याकडे काय तुला
मेळटलो सीएम काय?
न्यूज म्हटलं तर फक्त सोशल मीडियाचे वाचता म्हणतात.
झाले सांगून
एक मे पासून जेन्ना आतां ओपन जातलें न्ही तें मातशें फुडें सांगा लोकांक पीपल आर क्युरियस हाव टू गेट रजिस्टर्ड वेन वील द रजिस्ट्रेशन
ते आम्ही सगळे सांगतले न्ही. यू वॉन्ट टू टॉक अबाउट द वॅक्सिनेशन प्रोटोकॉल? हू इज हँडलिंग? यू कॅन मेन्शन.
See, as far as vaccination is concerned, from 1st May, Government of India will be